Okay, good morning student. Say we are in this session we are learning it is a phylum, it is a Coelenterata. Second phylum is there. Coelenterata. What is Coelenterata? See, Coelenterata or say Coelenterata also calling. See, whatever may be, we are calling the Coelenterata only. Coilos ante full bellied. See, coilos, it is a term and full belly. What is the characteristics of the Coelenterata? It is a lost first porifera, next one is a Coelenterata. See what is the characteristics these organisms. Characteristics. What is the characteristics is there? We have to see it is a better body differentiation than porifera. See, we have to see the better body differentiation than porifera. See, next we have to see the body made of two layers of cells. See, it is a gastrovascular cavity. See, it is a body made of two layers. Body made of two layers. One is a gastrovascular cavity. Gastrovascular cavity, and it is a tentacles are present. We have to see the tentacles also present. Tentacles are present. Okay. Next we have to see the tissue level of organization. Okay, first porifera is a cellular level of organization. See, it is a developing these organisms. Now this is a tissue level of organisms. Tissue level of organisms. See, these are a tissue level of organisms. Next we have to see the prepare aquatic habitat. See, most of these organisms is living in the water. We are calling the prepare the aquatic habits. Prefer the aquatic habitat. Aquatic habitat. These organisms may live in the colonies or isolation. See, we have to see these organisms may live colonies or isolation. See, we have to see in this phylum, it is some organisms is moving one place to another place for capturing the food substances, but some organisms is isolation. It is for example, we have to see the hydra. Hydra is a isolation. See, hydra. Isolation example is a hydra. See, this hydra. Next, colonies would be sea anemone. Sea anemone. Sea anemone would be living in the colonies. See, once we have to see the also formed in, so it is a nidaria. So it is a specific structure present nidoblast. So it is a nidoblast is a present. We are calling the nidaria also. Nidaria. This phylum we are calling the nidaria. Nidaria also calling. See here, nidaria. Next we have to see the these organisms is a mobile. See, it is a most of the mobile is there. For example, we have to see the hydra. See, living in fresh water and live in isolation. For example, jellyfish. Jellyfish also it is a living in fresh water. It is a live in isolation. Next to corals, live in colonies. It is a sea anemone. See this like some examples is there. Next we have to see the totally 9,000 species is a exist. Totally 9,000 species is a exist in this organism. Okay, now we have to see the structure. Some examples of the these organisms: hydra, see jellyfish, sea anemone, Aurelia. See these are some examples also is there. Next we have to see the structure of the these organisms. What is the structure? We have to see the this structure as a tentacle, hypostomia, two layers. See it is a diploblastic. This organisms is a basically first one is a diploblastic. Diploblastic. What is diploblastics? Say it is a two-layer body walls is there. One is a ectoderm and endoderm. For example, we have to see the this is a ectoderm. Ectoderm and this is a endoderm. Ectoderm and endoderms. So it is a two-layer body wall. Two-layer body wall. Next we have to see the here is there. See for example two layers is there. See this one layer. This is a ectoderm. This is a ectoderm. This is a endoderm. See in between the two layers, we are calling the mesoglia. Endo. See in between these two layers, it is a mesoglia is present. Mesoglia is present in between the two layers. Next we have to see the acoelomate, no gut wall. So it is a next one is a acoelomate. See, no gut wall. Is there any gut wall? No. See, next we have to see the central gastrovascular cavity with single opening hypostomia. Hypostom is there. See, ingestion, single gastrovascular cavity. Single gastrovascular cavity is present with central gastrovascular cavity with single opening single opening hypostome. See, we have to see this is a mouth. Mouth is there. Here to taking the food substances, only single opening is there. That taking the food substances as using the nutrition and expel through a mouth only these food substances. Excretion, also ingestion and excretion. It is only a single opening is there. Single opening is there. Next we have to see the special stinging cells is present. See nidoblast. See nidoblast contain the poison filled and nematocytes. See help to see paralyze prey. What will happen? The stinging cells is there. See this line. The tentacles. The tentacles is has a stinging cells. What will happen? The tentacles is beating on the prey, and see these tentacle enter into inject in their body, and poisonous liquid is secreting in their body. What will happen? They will be die after these organisms is taking the food substances. Okay, see this is about the it is a helping to the, it is a nidoblast. See that's why it is a nidoblast, it is a nidaria. This word we are calling the nidoblast. Nidoblast cells is there. That's why we are calling the nidaria. See help to the paralyze prey. Next here occurring the what is sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction by budding. See for example we have to see that this is a amoeba. This is a amoeba. It is slowly occurring the budding. See this is a bud. See these are a tentacles. These are a tentacles. See next stage what will happen? The bird is again growing. They are making their own tentacles and here forming the this like tentacles. What will happen if I cut this one? See what will happen? It is living the individually. See this like individually they are living. Okay, plus it is a bird also. So it is a individually living. It will form the two daughter cells. How many daughter cells is it forming? It is a reproduction is a occurring the asexual reproduction. Which reproduction this one? Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. So it is a occurring the asexual reproduction in Coelenterata. Next, it is this process is a budding process. Next, we have to see the sexual reproduction, gamete formed by the medusa. Sexual reproduction also occurring in Coelenterata. See here forming the gametes. Gametes is a forming in this stage. So it is a Coelenterata, and there is we already learned the characteristics and structure also. See here is a diploblastics, means it is a present the two cell wall. One is a endoderm, ectoderm. Next we have to see the Coelenterata. Coelomate is there, no cell wall. Next, central gastrovascular cavity with a single opening, hypostomia. Asexual reproduction in budding. Sexual reproduction is a gamete is a formation. See this is about the totally phylum Coelenterata or Cnidaria.